Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Tiffany & Co. model TF4148 in color code 8002/3B. It's a Havana color frame. It has a gold detailing in the front of the frame. The lenses are a brown gradient color, and it has a Tiffany & Co. logo engraved in the top left lens. The style of the frame is fashion cat eye. It has a Tiffany & Co. logo in gold on the side of the temples, and at the temple tip it has a T. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy, and this is the serial number. This is the other side of the temple, and it has a T at the temple tip and a Tiffany Co. logo on the side of the temple. These frames are RXable. Up here we have a Tiffany & Co. gift box, a case in Tiffany blue to put your glasses in, a pouch to put your glasses in, an authenticity card, a manufacturer booklet, and a cleaning cloth.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.